This video is a run-through on how the object control feature works. The object control function allows you to send a command via SMS or GPRS from the platform to your tracking device. The main use of object control is to activate or deactivate the remote start isolation function of the tracker, or for picture requests if using a camera system. In order for the remote start isolation to work, you will need to have the tracker wired in specifically to intercept your starter motor circuit. You can find wiring diagrams for this below. You will need to let the LMS support team know that this function is wired in so we can set up your object control templates. Let's take a look at how to use this function. First, open up the Object Control tab in the top menu bar. Now select the GPRS or SMS gateway. The difference between these two gateways is GPRS is free and utilizes the internet to send the command, and the SMS gateway can be faster, but you will need to check what data plan you have as SMS messages are limited. For this example, we will use the SMS gateway. Now select your device you wish to send the command to, and then select what template you wish to use. Once these are selected, the command will automatically be filled out in the command line, and now you simply click the Send button. If you use the SMS gateway, you won't receive a response message and only have a verification that the message has been sent. The command we are using here stands for Set Digital Output. Being it's a digital output, this uses logic where 1 equals on and 0 equals off, as these are the only two states for this function to be in. This is useful to know as you can now also set a software sensor on the platform to show if this function is on or off. This software sensor is not required for this function to work and is only here as a simple way to view if this is active or not. We have an in-depth guide on how to set up software sensors that we will link below. It is possible that in some specific circumstances, the software sensor may display a false reading if the tracker has poor reception and is unable to update the device data to the server. You can always view the time position and time server data along with the GSM and GPS signal to verify the tracking data. Now, let's head over to the mobile app to see how to use this function. When looking at the map, click on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Object Control. You can select the GPRS or SMS gateways at the bottom of the screen, and to send a new command, open the menu option via the 3 dots and select New. Now select the device and the template option. Then click Send. Hopefully this covers all your questions regarding using object control. But if you're looking for further assistance, please reach out to our support team with any further questions.